Hello everyone. In part 1, we automated drafting replies for Gmail using n8n. Today, we're going to focus on keeping your inbox organized and tracking replies automatically. If you missed part 1, we set up the workflow to draft replies based on knowledge base and past conversation. And check the link in the description below to have the better ideas of the whole Gmail automation. In this video, we take emails from the sent folder and remove the respond label after sending and check if the last email was from you. If it was, the workflow applies an awaiting reply label, which means you are waiting for a reply. This keeps your inbox clean and organized while clearly showing which emails need attention. So let's jump into n8n and see how this works step by step. As you can see, the first node is a schedule trigger which runs every 1.5 hours, and then we take all the emails from the sent folder, but we apply some filtering here, which means that if any emails have the label awaiting reply, an action will not be taken by this node. So if you see the send email, so you see these two are respond, that means this node will take both of them. But if one of them or if both of them are awaiting reply or maybe action, then this node will not take them. So that means it must be outside from awaiting reply and action. And then the loop here used because if let's say in the send email there are more than 50 to 60 even hundreds of emails, then it may crash. So to prevent this, we use loop node here, and then as we will apply awaiting reply, so we must remove the label, existing label, which is respond here. So here it will remove the label respond, and then it will check whether the last message was from you or from the other person. If it was you, that means you send an email and you are waiting for the reply. That's why if it is you, then it will change the label here. It will be awaiting reply instead of respond. So it will help us to understand which emails that we're waiting to get a reply and which are already actioned. We will be talking about the action level in the next video. So I will execute the workflow and we'll see how it works. So if you check my send email, there are two emails here and both of them are respond. So we will execute the workflow and we'll see the result. Okay, let's execute the workflow now. Okay, it's done already. If we refresh, we're seeing that both of them have got the label which is awaiting reply. So as we have certain level here we created, so if we just click here awaiting reply, we can see both of the emails and that we're waiting for the reply. So we don't have to go to inbox and check which emails that was sent and we're waiting for the reply. We can just simply click awaiting reply and we understand, okay, we are waiting for the reply. So in the next video we will be talking about the action label, which is also very important in this automation because we also want to understand when the email is completed, I mean the conversation is finished, so we don't have to look at those email again. So we'll talk about in the next video. So till then, bye bye. Thank you so much.